Wash your hands for 40 seconds, please. Soap will chase the germs away so you don't cough and sneeze. Lather up your hands about a half a minute more. Get in between each finger, you can never be too sure. Clean your hands, and if you're getting bored, remember, friend, that in the end, good health is your reward.
Assalamualaikum guys, hi everyone, how are you? This is Farooq Khan from UTS support. Today I will show you I buy from Amazon.com the Google Mini Home. So this one I will just make an unbox today. So this is the they sent me. Okay, the color is charcoal color, and you can see the boxes. So I will open now. So this one I just put here. This is the manual. So here you can see. So I will show you. This is the charger. You can see the charger is very nice. You can see, and it's professionally and a nice charger. So this one I have to simply just here you can see here is for microphone. You can close if you don't want to hear something. You can close and open. So I simply just put this for charger. So you can see here, and you can install on your mobile. So here you can see the Google Home apps. So this application you must install. So here you can see so I will show you how it will work now. Hey Google, what is time now?
It's 4:49 p.m.
See how it's working. It's very nice, and so I can see. Hey Google, what is the weather today?
Today in Dubai, it'll be clear with clouds from time to time, with a forecasted high of 40 and a low of 29. Right now it's 38 degrees and mostly sunny.
Hey Google, what is my name?
Your name is Mr. Farooq Khan.
Hey Google, can you sing for me?
Wash your hands for 40 seconds, please. Soap will chase the germs away so you don't cough and sneeze. Lather up your hands about a half a minute more. Get in between each finger, you can never be too sure. Soap and water, lather up at least 5 times.
Stop. So he stopped already. So I will just give a command like, hey Google, can you change your voice?
Here's an example of one of my other voices. Would you like me to use this one?
First one.
Would you like me to use this voice?
No.
Okay, if you want to hear more voice options, you can find them in Google Assistant settings on your phone.